Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. Today is Thursday, March 24th. I am on my days off and I am just cleaning up around the house. So I had my week all planned out and then my mom texted me when I was at work and changed all that. My mom's cousins from Ontario planned a vacation and then they asked my mom to go. So her and her friend planned it pretty last minute. So they're supposed to be leaving on Saturday. But my mom's friend is unable to go now, so I'm going in her place maybe. So I think I'm going, but if they can't change the name on the ticket, I'm not going anywhere. I also have to pass a COVID test, which I've been taking COVID tests every day to go to work, and I took another one this morning and I'm negative. I'm not trying to get my hopes up, and I wasn't gonna bring the suitcase up from downstairs, but I have it out now because if you know me, I'm a planner and it's bothering me that I can't start packing. So I'm trying to distract myself by like cleaning the house a little bit. I do have a nail appointment later and another appointment at 7 p.m. And then hopefully today, if I get the news that they switched the ticket into my name, I can go get my COVID test today. So if everything works out, my mom and I will be flying out to Jamaica on Saturday. That is crazy. It's insane. Obviously, you won't see this unless I'm going to Jamaica. So I did go to the mall the other day when I wasn't like 100% sure if I'm going on this trip. And I guess right now I'm 85% sure that I'm going on this trip. So I got a few bathing suits at Levian Rose and I got some things at Old Navy and Winners. So I'll show you everything I got. First up, I got this little shirt. It's like a sleeveless shirt and it ties at the bottom here. And I thought it'd be cute to wear with like biker shorts. Also at Winners, I got this dress. It has little things on the straps and then it's pretty see-through, so I'm just gonna have to either wear shorts underneath it, I don't know. And then I found this dress at Winners too. I thought it was really cute. It looks cuter on than me holding it up. So the few things that I got at Old Navy are these pajama shorts. And then I got this top. It's a pajama top, but I honestly might just wear it as a regular top. But I found these cute biker shorts. I don't know if you can tell the pattern of it, but I thought these were cute. And then I got these like active shorts. I thought they would be good to throw on over a bathing suit because they would dry quick. I got this other pair of active shorts. It's kind of like a thicker material. I also got these like linen pair of shorts. They're black. It's like a linen material. They have pockets. And I got this pair of denim shorts. They're just like cut off on the bottom. And then the last thing at Old Navy was a bathing suit. I thought it was cute. It's yellow. I never thought I liked wearing yellow, but I like this bathing suit. Or high-waisted bottoms like this. I'll show you the bathing suits that I got at Levian Rose. This one was originally $49.95, but I got this top for $34. These ones, and they have little ties on the side. I got this one because I like the way that it fits and how the straps can adjust to be tighter. These high-waisted bottoms, you can kind of like roll them down a little bit if you don't want them to be so high-waisted. And then the last bathing suit I got, I would not normally buy in this color, but I thought it was cute on. And then the bottoms for these ones. So that's everything I got so far. I'm trying not to buy too much, so I'm going through all of my summer clothes that I have already. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning. I am just getting ready to go get my mom, and then Seamus is gonna drop us off at the airport. Okay, so I'll see you later when we pick up mom. Also, I don't know how much I'm gonna put mom in this video. I don't know if she wants her face all over YouTube. So it might just be me and mom is there. I'm just not putting her in the video, obviously. Okay, so see you in a little bit. Okay, so we made it to Toronto and we checked into the Hilton Garden something. I'm just gonna show you the room. This is the door when you come in. There's a little closet. The opposite side here is the bathroom. And then over here, there's a fridge down there, coffee machine, ice bucket, microwave. We put our luggage up here. We have the 2 beds, desk, and TV. Now we're just gonna hang out until we get some food. Okay, so it's 6:30 here. Mom is just in the shower. I just got out of the shower not too long ago, and I got my pajamas on, and our stuff is organized for tomorrow. I have my alarm set for 4:45 in the morning. We're gonna wake up, get ready, and go to the airport early. Our boarding time is 8 a.m., but we want to get there early. So I think the flight from Toronto to Jamaica is 4 hours and 40 minutes, maybe. The time we get to our hotel and stuff, it'll probably be like 3 p.m. tomorrow. Now we're just gonna take it easy for the night, and I'll see you tomorrow. last day. We're going to get breakfast, going to the beach. So I didn't film that much of me talking this week, but hopefully you enjoyed all of the clips that I put together. It is our last night. We just got in from the beach. I got in the shower and washed my hair because tomorrow we fly home. I have my dress on, ready for dinner. We're going to the buffet again. And yeah, we have to pack all our stuff up and head home tomorrow. So we're leaving the hotel tomorrow at like 9 o'clock. And then we have a full travel day from Montego Bay to Toronto, and then Toronto to Sydney. We won't get home in Sydney until midnight, I think, tomorrow. So tomorrow will be a full travel day. So me and Mom will probably call it a night early here and get our suitcases packed up and ready to go. But I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Sunday, April 3rd, and we got back from Jamaica last night. I guess early this morning around, I got home at like 12:45, so went to bed. I didn't unpack anything. My suitcase is here, my carry-on stuff is all there, and all I'm doing today is unpacking and doing laundry because I have to go back to work tomorrow. Overall, the trip was really good. I didn't vlog much at all. I did get a lot of video clips, but I didn't like talk to the camera or anything. Hopefully you enjoyed all the clips from Jamaica. It was really relaxing. The trip was really good. We stayed at Ocean Coral Springs in Jamaica, and I really enjoyed it. I didn't have anything to compare it to because that was my first all-inclusive resort that I've ever went to. So Mom and I really enjoyed it. But the last few days we went to the buffet for every meal, and we just stayed on the beach all day. It sucks to be back in Nova Scotia because it's cold. It's not that cold, but it's 1 degree here and very windy. I just had Chip for a walk and it was like very windy. But tomorrow we are expecting 30 to 40 centimeters of snow. So that's a big change from 30 degrees. I'm not looking forward to the 30 to 40 centimeters of snow because I have to go to work tomorrow. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed all the clips from our trip. Just want to thank my mom for bringing me along. I know her friend wasn't able to make it and that was really sad, but I'm very grateful that I got to go on the trip. So thanks to my mom for that. Yeah, so today just laundry and putting everything away. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks so much for watching.